Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dela Rahmatita. My study number is 40. Class Intermediate 1. I will convey about Indonesia's economy potential in the new normal era. The Indonesian government took the task force to accelerate the handling of COVID-19, announced the steps of opening the economic sector to carry out productive community program and save COVID-19 or new normal. According to current data from the Ministry of Manpower, it shows the impact of COVID-19 has resulted in many workers having lost their jobs. To follow up on this problem, several things were considered, including the impact on health, socio-economy, and labor. Thus, Joko Widodo conveyed to reopen a sector that has a positive impact on the survival of many people. The opening of economic sectors was carried out by implementing strict health protocols, beginning with education, socialization, and simulation in strict. People will be careful about shopping if the transmission of the coronavirus increases. If the government is not careful, the new normal policy will actually be dangerous. The economy will be even more devastated because the new normal policy is carried out when the coronavirus transmission course increases. The coronavirus transmission course can decrease consistently, so there is an opportunity for Indonesian economy to grow positively. If the transmission of the coronavirus increases when it is new normal, then the government will carry out the PSBB. If the PSBB is carried out, the Indonesian economy will descend again. If economic activities resume, the most obvious impact will be the reduction in unemployment and the availability of various jobs. That way, the people's purchasing power is expected to recover like it was before the COVID-19 pandemic appeared. The COVID-19 outbreak made the government have to spend more to compensate for the decline in people's purchasing power, starting from social assistance program, pre-employment card to credit relaxation. The new normal activities in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic are like two sides of a coin. On the one hand, there is the potential to improve the economy, but on the other hand, there is a risk of increasing positive cases of the coronavirus. The joint awareness to do activities outside the home while remaining disciplined, the implementing health protocols, namely wearing face masks, washing hands regularly, maintaining distance, avoiding crowd, and not leaving the house if not needed is the key to Indonesia's success in trading a new era of normal economy. The new normal will be good news for the Indonesian economy depending on Indonesian readiness to cope with the coronavirus, which until now has no vaccine. All business sectors are preparing for a new era of normal economy by turning the crisis into a new hope. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.